Hi, I'm Mr. Ryan. Welcome to the Reynolds High Woodshop. We have a great facility here, one that has a lot of very nice, cool, and sometimes dangerous tools. We're going to show you how to use them safely through a series of videos, starting with the drill press right here. These safety videos are designed with the first year learner in mind. Typically a freshman in that case, sometimes a sophomore. All you need to know about this drill press can be seen from the angle you have right here. You have the chuck, which holds the bit. This will typically be tightened for you in a first year class. Later on, as you become a sophomore and move on to Woods 1 or Woods 2, we'll show you the tools to do that yourself. At this level, we'll set it up for you. Of course, the on and off switch, and over here the handle. One of the coolest things about this particular drill press is the zero feature arrow. As I turn my handle around, all these numbers go by, and this arrow lines up with this arrow. When these two arrows line up, you've reached the bottom of your table. Let's back out the camera a bit and show you what that means. As I lower the handle, the bit comes down to the table, and it stops at the table. Not because if the drill was running, it would drill right through the table. This is a sacrificial wood table. As you can pan around here, you can see that it's been drilled into by other tools. That's okay. We attach this wooden table to our metal table for that particular purpose. We're expecting you to go a little bit into this wood, but those two arrows that we lined up will keep you from going a minimal distance. So when the two arrows line up on the handle, you have effectively set up the depth of your drill or hole that you're putting into your particular project. Before we ever turn on the drill press, you want to make sure that the drill bit is securely fastened inside the chuck. To do this, you'll use a chuck key. This pin fits into this hole and turns the gears to tighten or loosen the chuck. Again, as a freshman, you won't be doing that. But before you do, you make sure that this is all tight. You turn it clockwise, righty-tighty, in each of the three holes. I'm not going to take this one out right now because you won't have to be doing that either. Before turning on the drill press, with the on and off stop that we showed you a moment ago, make sure that you remove the chuck key. You make sure your bit is tight using the chuck key, and then you make sure that you remove the chuck key. You can imagine, I suppose, what would happen if you have a loose metal object going around at a high level of speed. It would throw it out probably at you, and that would be bad.